Hello everyone. First aid kit. A first aid kit is a collection of basic medical supplies and equipment that is assembled and kept in one place for use in case of an emergency. Having a well-equipped first aid kit is important for providing immediate care and assistance to individuals who may be injured or become ill. While the contents of a first aid kit can vary based on specific needs and situations, here are some common items you might include. Bandages and dressings. Adhesive bandages, that is of various sizes, sterile gauze pads and bandage rolls, adhesive tape. Wound care supplies. Antiseptic wipes or solution, hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol, tweezers and scissors, disposable gloves. Medications, pain relievers, for example, acetaminophen or ibuprofen, antihistamine for allergic reactions, aspirin for cardiac emergencies. Topical treatments, antiseptic ointment or cream, calamine lotion for insect bites or rashes, hydrocortisone cream for itching. Tools and instruments, tweezers for splinter removal, scissors for cutting tape, gauze or clothing, thermometer. Respiratory aids, breathing barrier mask, instant cold packs. Personal protective equipment, PPE, disposable gloves, face mask. Miscellaneous items, safety pins, first aid manual or instruction booklet, emergency contact information. Specialized items, depending on activity or location. EpiPen for severe allergic reactions. Inhaler for individuals with respiratory conditions. Space blanket for maintaining body heat. It's important to regularly check and update your first aid kit to ensure that all items are in good condition. Medications are not expired and the kit is tailored to the specific needs of the users and their activities. Additionally, it's essential to be trained in basic first aid and CPR to effectively respond to emergencies. Thank you.